Hey everyone, Stock Ninja here, bringing you more M&A action. This time in the energy sector. Energy giant Chevron has agreed to purchase Noble Energy in an all-stock deal. This type of acquisition was a long time coming, and it seems like the energy companies are ready to snap up any good deal despite their own struggles. Chevron is a huge company that many people probably have heard of, and I would bet good money it's probably a small part of most people's 401ks. A descendant of the legendary Standard Oil company of old, Chevron is currently headquartered in San Ramon, California, while commanding an international presence. Chevron trades with the ticker symbol CVX and is a member of the Dow Jones Industrial Average, S&P 100, and S&P 500 indexes. On the other end of the deal, we have Noble Energy. Noble is headquartered in Houston, Texas, and was founded in 1932 and is a publicly traded company, trading with the ticker symbol NBL. Noble has U.S. onshore operations in DJ Basin, which is located in Colorado, Permian Basin, a shale basin that is located in West Texas close to the Mexican border, and the Eagle Ford Shale, which is also in Texas bordering the Rio Grande River. They also have international operations in the Eastern Mediterranean, just offshore from Israel, and lastly operations in Equatorial Guinea. Now, let's see how this deal is being financed by Chevron. The total value of the deal, along with the assumption of Noble's debt, will equate to roughly $13 billion. Given that this is an all-stock deal, we will ignore the present cash and other liquid balances and focus on the short and long-term debt, as well as the value of outstanding shares. Looking at the balance sheet as of March 31st, 2020, we can see current liabilities at around $28 billion and non-current liabilities at around $63 billion, totaling close to $92 billion in total liabilities. Given that Chevron will be absorbing $8 billion in debt from Noble, it is more than likely their long-term debt will go up significantly, with some addition to short-term debt obligations, and combined debt obligations will increase roughly 8.7% to $100 billion. When looking at common stock equity, we can see nearly $144 billion in value, and when we add in the $5 billion or so in new shares that will be issued, there will be about a 3.4% increase in dilution to current Chevron shareholders. From a strategic point of view, with this acquisition, Chevron will be able to enhance their presence in the Permian Basin and in Colorado's DJ Basin. This will also obtain them assets in the Mediterranean and Equatorial Guinea. On top of this, Chevron expects the acquisition to generate $300 million in annual run rate cost synergies before tax 1 year after the deal closes. When looking at rivals such as Exxon, not much has happened as of late. Almost everyone in the energy industry has been struggling and seemingly biding their time for waiting for more deals. The only really big move that comes to mind is Buffett's acquisition of Dominion Energy's natural gas assets. If you haven't seen it, check out that video here. This move by Chevron could be the start of many mergers to come in the energy sector as 2020 progresses through its second half. With major companies like Exxon and Chevron both struggling, it also means that smaller ones are too. By the end of this ordeal, the energy landscape will change for sure, with the smaller companies getting weeded out and swallowed up by the larger ones that are still standing and more financially fit. I expect more of these types of deals to come forth, and possibly at a rapid pace, as no one wants to be left behind if good deals dry up. Is this the right time to invest in energy? Could be. If you can identify some undervalued companies with good assets but have a bleak future forecast, it could go up for sale to one of these energy giants, so keep an eye out. That concludes our analysis of Chevron's acquisition of Noble Energy. The deal is set to be completed by the end of 2020. Thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and hit that bell notification to be updated for more videos like this. Till next time, Stock Ninja out. I am not a financial advisor, and this video is for educational purposes only. Please do your own research before buying or selling any stocks seen in this video. Thank you.